ada, la 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 la. Simple ada, sada ada. Everyone love, sada ada. Yo, hello Meghalayan Khasi people, welcome back all. Today I'm going to speak Khasi language, Khasi words, some few Khasi words. So they used to say hello pine pa or hello paralog. Kumno pilong, guys. How are you guys? Hope everyone is doing well. I did it right. And Sim Thank you so much for supporting me all the time, guys. And thanks to whoever's tuning, like staying and watching my videos, guys. I'm so happy of you guys. That is why I'll keep reacting to you guys. So today we are going to check Ata Ebenezer. Ata, I think Ata is that the wheat flour. Yeah, for us, this is what I know. So it's a music video from Ebenezer Lapang and Micky Lyngdoh, guys. Kindly support Ebenezer Lapang, guys. Is also giving nice music video, guys, and he need your support, and I also need your support. That is why I'm sharing with you out. If you subscribe to my channel, definitely you have to subscribe to Ebenezer Lapang, guys. Love from Africa. Let's do it. I know you didn't subscribe. Just first subscribe here, then go subscribe to Ebenezer Lapang, and then let's enjoy. That is called supporting. That is called peace. That is called our pra. Okay? Let's do it. Hey, David Studio. Let's go.
video.
Who is that? Kashuprang Ata. She want to eat Ata. Yes. Yeah, jaldi. Yeah. Let's go and make Ata. Done. That is Ata, or this is Puri. Yeah, here we call it Puri, like Puri. I don't know, maybe you call it Ata there in Shillong, right? Most Shata o Ata, la 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 la. Simple Ata, Shata o Ata. Everyone love Shata o Ata. They also call this tawa. In Arabic we call tawa is the same. La 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 la. They call tawa, and we in Arabic we also call it tawa. Let's fix this thing. Real Madrid, Hala Madrid. Let's do it, bro.
Oba.
Oba.
Adu Ata. Sabite adu pan bersana.
Sare. Done. Everyone love the Ata. You like it, right? I know you love it. Okay, they eat it with that pea. One only. Done. Relax. Shata opata, shata opata, la 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 la. Shata opata. This guy is very good in acting. Hey, it fell. Hey. One by one. You took one. It's my turn now. Atta. Okay, guys. Actually, mm, thank you so much. This is their atta. This is looking like puri, guys. This is looking like puri, and I just want to know. I want to know, guys, what is the regular breakfast that people eat in Meghalaya there? Because I saw this one. I think it's like chapati and made with that pea. That one also I know they make it like a curry, and sometimes they boil it, they cook it with some onion and together with potato, guys. It is similar in India out here, but mostly in other states they call it like puri, where they make it. Puri is so light. The puri is lighter than the chapati. You know, chapati is a little bit heavy. And how much does it cost for a breakfast for a there in Meghalaya? I want to know, guys, because next time when I'm coming soon to Meghalaya, actually, maybe during cherry blossom, I will come to Shillong, guys, and I'll celebrate with you guys, and I'll make a lot of vlog, and I will try your atta. I will try different things, guys, and I'm so happy, guys, to be reacting to you guys. So that is so nice. This is kind of a comedy, also comedy music video. And the story started like when they saw that lady. What was she talking about? I want to know, like, what inspired them to go and start making atta, guys? What inspired them? Because before making atta, they were watching one lady. So what was that lady saying? Other than this, everything is nice, the beat, and I just love both of the musician guys. Ebenezer Lapang, this guy is so passionate about music. I can see that is really giving quality music video. And Micky Lyngdoh, you all know him, is so funny and amazing man. Is already great. And let's support them together and let's enjoy Atta together also, guys. Who is inviting me for Atta when I come to Shillong? Let me know, guys. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Ebenezer. Till next time, I'm going to take my Atta because it's already morning, guys. I'm doing reaction outside because it's so cool and I'm not yet done with my Atta. So till next time, love you all. Subscribe now. Peace out. Kublai Shibon. Love you. Mensim Jonga.